Hi, my beautiful students. Today's lesson is subtract tens. But first, let's learn about subtraction and remember what's the meaning of subtract. Let's go. First of all, let's have a summary about what we have finished during last week and this week. We talked about addition techniques with and without regrouping. With regrouping, as the sample you can see, we have to find out 16 plus 6. We will put the group of tens together, then we'll find the answer with regrouping. Without regrouping, as the below example, adding tens together, ones together, and finding out the answer. Let's check your progress in your books. Please open your books and do pages 477 and 478. Do you remember subtraction? How do we subtract? How can I subtract two-digit numbers? All these questions will be answered today. First of all, let's define the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction is a calculation in which we take away small numbers from bigger ones. It's like you have 5 apples and you wanted to share 3 of them with your friend. So you'll have two apples left with you. Let's take a look at this example to remember subtraction procedures. We have 3 minus 2 equals 1. It means that we will go back from the 3 2 steps backwards, so we will reach the number 1. Now we'll apply it on the tens. If we have 3 tens and we have to go back 2 tens, we will reach the 110, which means also 30 minus 20 equals 10. Okay, now we will be using the 100 chart technique. What does that mean? This chart contains the numbers from 1 to 100. Each row has 10 numbers in it. So let's take an example. If we want to subtract or move up 5 rows from 100, we will stand on the 100 and move up 1 to the 90, 2 to the 80, 3 to the 70, 4 to the 60, and 5 to the 50. So the answer will be 50. Let's do the same with 90 minus 30. We will be standing on the 90, going up 110 to the 80, 2 tens to the 70, and 3 tens to the 60. So the answer will be 60. The same we will do if we have ones on the other side of the page. You can see that if we have 27 minus 10, we will be standing on the 27 and we will go up 110. So we will reach the number 17. The same with 86. If you're standing on the 86 and you have to move up 3 tens, 30 means 3 tens. Let's do it together. From 86, move up 110 to the 76, 2 tens to the 66, and 3 tens to the 56. So the answer will be 56. Try to do the same with the rest of these questions below. Practice them on your own if you can. Now please open your books on page 480 and 481. Start practicing subtraction. Use your favorite technique while subtracting. Let's remember the methods to practice. You can use your fingers, you can use the blocks, you can use anything anything you would like to use. You can draw shapes, you can do anything that will make it easier for you to solve the problem. And if you're done, look at this video again, check the last part, and you'll find out the answer key for the pages I asked you to do. Thank you. Now please open your books on page